Hello there everyone. We were learning the Kirtana Sri Saraswati, right? And in my previous tutorial I left you all with the Pallavi, right? So if you have practiced that well, we can move on to the Samashti Charan, the second part of this Kirtan, composed by Muthuswami Dikshidhar in the Raga Arabhi. So let's first discuss some points about this Arabhi Raga. Arabhi Raga, it is the derivative of 29th Melakarta Raga, Dhira Shankara Bharana. When we look at this, when we check its Arohana and Avrohana, we can find out there are only 5 notes in its Arohana and all the 7 notes are there in its Avrohana. And so we can call this Raga as an Audava Sambhurna Raga. As we know, this Raga does not possess any foreign notes. We can call this Raga as an Upanga Raga. And the Swarathanams of this Raga is Shadjam, Chaturshruta Rishabham, Andaragandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panjamam, Chaturshruta Devatam, and Kakali Nishadam. Like in its parent Raga, Dhira Shankara Bharana. First, let's sing the Arohana and Avrohana. Sari ma pa dha sa, sa ni dha pa ma ga ri sa. Okay? Oh, ready then. Let's move on to the Samashti Charana now. Vasanatraya. Yeah, I will sing it first. Vasanatraya. Va rim rim ri va sana sa nida sana traya sa sa vasanatraya. Then vi varjita vi rima rima vi varjita sa nida jida. Then varamuni vara mari vara mari sa vara muni ma rima varamuni van magari varamuni van magari van tita. That's actually a papa mama. Van varamuni van tita ta pama ta muni van tita murte. Here mur pa dasa murte sada sada pa. Generally, when people sing, this use a Murte, murte. They sing like this. Mur pa da sa, sada ni da pa. Is that right? No, I find it wrong. Because unfortunately we don't have Kaishi Nishadam there. What we have is Kakal Nishadam, and unfortunately we just cannot sing it as a straight note, right? Murte pa da sa, sada sada pa. You can use this usage. Murte. Okay, just give a projection for that. Daivada. Gama gama of Daivada. Let's combine all these phrases. Vasanatraya vivarjita varamuni vandita murte. You should sing it twice. Vasanatraya vivarjita varamuni vandita murte te. Okay, then Vasavadya kila. Okay, Vasavadya Vasanidha Vasa sa Vasavadya Vadya sa ri sa mari. You remember I have mentioned the answerams of the Rishabham when we give this Gama. Sa mari, those are the notes. Vasavadya. And from that Rishabham Kila Ripa kilanar magari. Okay, re pa magari, re pa magari, kilanar jara ja mari jara. Vasavadya kilanar jara. Then sa from that. Vara vidarana vara sada vara from Daivadam to Rishabam. Dari vara vidarana ve sada vidarana sada sada sanida sanidaba vidana. Bahu kirte bahu ba ma pada bahu kirte magari mariza tirte. Let's combine all those phrases. Vasavadya kilanar jara varavidarana bahu kirte. You should repeat it twice, and in its repetition, the last phrase kirte that's not there. Instead of that kirte dara. I mean, instead of that a lyric, you should sing dara, because from this phrase onwards, we are starting that rap thing I've mentioned in my previous tutorial, that in the double speed. Okay. Darahasa yudamukam buruge, that thing. Darahasa rizadasa darahasa yudamuka riririza yudamukam buruge magari. Darahasa yudamukam buruge. Then albhuda charanam buruge albhuda papa mapa albhuda charana albhuda charana da 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 charana da da pa albhuda charana. Then buruge dari sa. Then samsara. Here in this phrase, what do we have as ragamudra, right? Charana buruge samsara samsara vidya pake. From Rishabam to Pancham. Samsara ripama samsara ripama. Then risa vidya pake risa nidari samsara vidya pake. Then here sagala mandra akshara. It is just the avarohana itself. Saridapa magariza sagala mandra akshara. Then guhe sarima sagala mandra akshara guhe. Let's sing that rap portion now. Darahasa yudamukam buruge albhuda charanam buruge samsara vidyapahe sagala mandra akshara guge sri. Then you should come by that with the first or the third or the second sangati, as you wish. Let's combine it with the third sangati, and it will sound like Shri Saraswati Namostute Paradevate Shripadi Gauri Padi Guru Guha Vinude Vidiyuvade. Then that second sangati, Shri Saraswati Namostute. That's how we can conclude this Kirtana. So that's the end of this tutorial. I hope this was quite an easy and a helpful one for you all. So keep on practicing, guys. And those who have not subscribed my channel yet, do that now itself for more of my videos, more of my updates. And if you wish to share any opinions or suggestions with me, you can post them as comments. Bye for now. We'll meet you all soon in my next tutorial. Bye.